We're going to do a fun little experiment to measure the speed of sound using two devices, the two that we have sitting on my desk right now. So you can see that the one device is turned on, and in fact I've already plugged the dongle that was in the back of this one into my computer, and it's paired. You can see it's blinking in this winky way, which says that it's paired. This other one, the dongle is in the back of him, and it's not plugged into a computer, so when I turn this one on, you get a different kind of blink. This blink indicates that this guy is not paired with a dongle that's plugged into a computer because, well, the dongle's back in there. But we can still pair this one with the computer with a dongle that's already in the computer. We do it this way. We turn him off, and then we push the plus button while we turn him on. And we just wait until we see the LED on the left blinking 3 times, right there. Now this thing is in Discover mode. That means that we can go to the application here, we can click on Remote 2, and we can say Pair. And as soon as we do that, you first of all see that this guy is now blinking in the same way that the other one is, so that they're both paired with the same dongle now. And over here, you can see the same information on the application. Okay, so now we just select both here on the little menu bar, so we can read both of these out at the same time. So we're going to select the microphone on one and the microphone on the other, and if I hit record now, you simply see, whoops, gotta hit record, you see both of them recording at the same time. Okay, well, I can't do this when these things are sitting on my desk, so I've already taken this data. So what I did was I got my tape measure out and I measured 100 feet in my hallway. I separated these things by 100 feet. And I went up to one of them, and I basically clapped my hand like that, and I measured the arrival time of the sound at the one that was close and the one that was far away. And I've already saved that data. I can just bring it up here by clicking on the little folder and looking at the data that I acquired before. So here it is. I clapped my hand several times. So let me zoom in on one of these claps, and we just pick this one right here. So there we go, both sides zoom in. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. There we go. And let me pan a little bit. Oh, looks like this. So what you're seeing here is that this trace on the right, that's the one that I was close to, because you see this one was louder. This is the one that was 100 feet away. That's the one that's over on the left side of the screen. And I can just measure the time between them by just clicking where this one begins and dragging it over to the right until I see the time where the other one begins. There we go. So what we just measured is that this time interval between when the sound arrived at the close one and the far one was 0.087 seconds. And so we can calculate the speed of sound then, because 100 feet is about 30 meters, and we divide 30 by 0.087, and we get about 340 meters per second, which is the right answer. Pretty cool.